In the Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering program, we don't just teach, we shape the future. We equip our students with the technical skills, strong character, and critical thinking they need to become leaders in the field.
From classrooms to construction sites, we cultivate resilience, creativity, and purpose. Every lesson, every challenge, every breakthrough builds their ability to face and solve real-world problems.
We unlock potential, nurturing not only professionals but future nation builders.
Together, we strive to be the best we can be, whether in academic settings or hands-on environments. Build, innovate, elevate.
We build a passion for lifelong learning. We innovate through collaboration and purpose.
Come and join us.
Be part of Civil Engineering Department here at NU Dasmariñas.